This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a sunroof, heated seats, a rear-view camera, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.